Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Servedio, and I am the Northern Ohio organizer for NARAL Pro-Choice Ohio. We are Ohio's leading organization for protecting reproductive health care and ensuring that abortion stays safe, legal, and accessible in our communities. On this, the 53rd anniversary of Medicaid and Medicare, NARAL Pro-Choice Ohio joins you all to demand our elected officials save our health care. I'm going to speak today about Mike DeWine. Ohio Attorney General Mike DeWine must join other states in defending protections for pre-existing conditions. He must advocate against new Medicaid restrictions, and he must call on Senators Portman and Brown to reject any Supreme Court nominee who will not protect our access to affordable health care. But Mike DeWine will not do any of these things because he is not on your side. Mike DeWine has gone back and forth on the issue of Medicaid expansion. The real-world implications of reckless indecision are a serious threat to low-income Ohioans. He's using their access to health care as a way to squeeze a few more years out of his career. He would deny poor women and children access to a doctor for his own gain. President Obama worked with Congress to protect Americans with pre-existing conditions. Mike DeWine would end these protections. Additionally, women are more likely than men to have what Donald Trump and Mike DeWine would call a pre-existing condition. Trump and DeWine would strip care from anyone with a history of rape, domestic violence, or even a pregnancy. The Affordable Care Act requires insurers to cover certain services, including maternity care, ensuring women are able to buy a health plan that actually covers the medical care they need, because women are not a pre-existing condition. Last week, the Youngstown Vindicator editorial board asked why won't Attorney General Mike DeWine join the governor in opposing changes to national health care policy for individuals with pre-existing conditions. Why indeed? The promise of the Affordable Care Act opened the door for millions of Americans to gain health care. Medicaid expansion continues that promise in a way that's best for low-income individuals and taxpayers. Restricting that access to care hurts both denied patients and those of us who will later be forced to pay those bills. Ohio's Attorney General should be working to defend the people. Ohio's Attorney General should be advising members of the U.S. Senate to reject any nominee to the U.S. Supreme Court who will not defend the people's rights. Brett Kavanaugh will not protect access to affordable health care. Brett Kavanaugh will not preserve Roe v. Wade. Brett Kavanaugh will not hold Donald Trump accountable for his actions. Mike DeWine's unwillingness to protect Ohioans is shameful and unacceptable. We need an Attorney General and a governor that will work for us. Thank you.